The BJP's Yediyurappa government in Karnataka has cracked the whip on the opposition. News coming in as we speak that several Congress leaders in Karnataka have been detained and taken into preventive custody as they try to hold demonstrations. Anthony joining us with more details of what's happening. Anthony.
Well, that's right. A lot of Congress leaders who have been protesting have been taken into preventive custody. Just where I'm standing, which is Rajarajeshwari Nagar, there has been the KPCC State Unit President, Mr. Parmeshwar, who is taken into preventive custody. We also understand that other leaders from across the other locations where they were protesting have been taken into custody. So a lot of chaos. In fact, the entire roads leading towards Mysore was blocked because of the protest that was taking place. So a very, very bad situation at one point. Now the leaders have been taken into preventive custody. So just moments ago it was absolute pandemonium over here. Things have been brought to normal now in this area.
Okay, but these are the same Congress leaders who have been demanding president's rule in the case, saying that the BJP government led by Yediyurappa has not been able to function.
Well, that's right. That's what they're demanding. They're demanding the ouster of Yediyurappa. In fact, they're saying if their demands are not met, they will ask all their legislators to resign. Now, they're going to have a meeting a little later during the evening, and then they're going to discuss whether their legislators are going to quit if their demands are not met.
Totally, how many leaders, Anthony, have been detained so far? We do know that Siddaramaiah is one of the leaders, top Congress leaders in Karnataka. He too has been detained. How many totally?
Well, that's right. Siddaramaiah is one of them. We also understand Jafar Sharif has also been detained. We also understand that Dinesh Gundarao has been detained. Many leaders, let's remember there are about 5 locations where big protests are taking place, and also across Karnataka. So it's very difficult to ascertain exactly how many leaders have been detained at this point in time. But a lot of big leaders of the Congress, the bigwigs of the Congress state unit have been taken into preventive custody. And we also understand that now the police are holding them till things are back to normal.
Well, the Congress leaders across Bangalore, as you are reporting, Anthony, are on this protest march. They are sitting and holding demonstrations in arterial and main roads in Bangalore. Meanwhile, BJP MLAs in the capital there in a show of strength. Yediyurappa about to meet or seeking time with the president. Anthony?
Well, that's right. Interestingly, yes, that's right. Interestingly now, as the Congress is up in the ante in the state, the BJP, in a show of strength, going to the president, showing their strength to the president. Now, it's up to the center to decide what really will happen, because a very interesting battle. The opposition, in fact, as I speak, the JDS National President, Mr. Deve Gowda, was giving a press conference asking for the ouster of Yediyurappa. So the opposition ganging up together to ensure that Yediyurappa is ouster. But on the other hand, we have the BJP MLAs clearly saying that they have enough support, they have the majority. There is absolutely no reason that Yediyurappa should be removed.